Join me on a culinary journey to the heart of Uzbekistan, where we'll witness the age-old tradition of making Uzbekistan's beloved traditional bread Lepyoshka. This bread isn't just food, it's a cultural treasure, a symbol of hospitality, and a staple on every Uzbek family's table. Bakers prepare dough from simple ingredients like flour, water, salt, and a little yeast. Watch as the dough is carefully kneaded, stretched, and rolled. The art of shaping Lepyoshka has been passed down through generations, and each baker has their own personal touch. Now, the Lepyoshka is ready for baking. This bread is cooked in a traditional clay oven, called a tandoor. The dough is carefully slapped onto the hot walls of the oven, where it bakes at high heat. The process is quick in just minutes. The dough transforms into a golden, fluffy bread with a crispy crust and a soft, airy center. Lepyoshka has a signature look, a smooth, round shape with a beautifully stamped center. This design isn't just for show, it helps the bread cook evenly. These stamps, called checkage, are often handmade and unique to each bakery. It's like signing a work of art. As each baker presses the stamp into the dough, they're carrying on a cherished tradition. Can you almost smell it? Fresh out of the oven, the Lepyoshka has a warm, slightly smoky aroma that's hard to resist. The crust is perfectly crispy, while the inside stays soft and fluffy. In Uzbekistan, Lepyoshka is more than food, it's a tradition. Sharing this bread with family and guests is a way to show hospitality and warmth. Here in the market, locals buy Lepyoshka daily. Some take it home to share with family, while others enjoy it fresh from the oven. The sight of golden bread stacked high, ready to be shared, brings people together and reminds them of their cultural roots. Lepyoshka isn't just bread, it's a connection to Uzbekistan's rich heritage. Every bite tells a story of tradition, family, and love for simple, good food. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the flavors of Uzbekistan. If you enjoyed this, let me know, would you like to try Lepyoshka? Comment below and subscribe for more delicious cultural journeys.